Hello from downtown Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. I'm Dr. Roger Adams with PSSN Asia and Eat Right Fitness, and I'm standing outside the Oklahoma City Memorial Virtual Marathon. Now, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, outdoor running's become one of the safest ways to stay in shape, and it's also greatly increased the popularity of endurance sport across the world. And there's no better way than right now to position yourself as an expert in this field. Now, I'm live streaming for the very first time the PSSN Marathon and Endurance Specialist Workshop to the people of the Philippines from December 11th to the 13th. And you don't want to miss out on this opportunity to become an expert in endurance sports. In this class, we'll talk about ways to optimize your sports nutrition performance. I'll also talk about proper hydration strategies and all the inherent risks and dangers associated with the sport. Now, for more information, I want you to contact the Philippine Society of Sports Nutrition on Facebook or sportsnutritionph.org. I'm Dr. Roger Adams, and I'll see you in December.